Before you create fancy funnels, before you design ads, before automation, there's one thing that decides whether your business will make money consistently. And that is a simple, clear, repeatable sales system. No confusion, no chaos, no hustling blindly. So let's build yours today. Welcome to day 27 Queens. And today we are building the system that makes your business predictable, your sales pipeline. A sales pipeline is simply the step-by-step journey a potential customer takes from I just found you to I'm ready to pay. So think of it like a roadmap. If you don't have one, your followers just float around your page, admiring your content, but not buying. But once you create this pipeline, the same people begin to move intentionally toward becoming customers. So what's a sales pipeline? What does a sales pipeline really mean? Your pipeline is made up of 3 simple stages. 1, awareness. Awareness is like, I just discovered her. So this is where people find your content for the first time. And this happens through your daily content, Reels, Lives, TikTok, Pinterest, your friends sharing you, your WhatsApp status updates, a simple comment you drop on other posts. So for example, now I post a reel titled, How I Turned My Catfish Farm into a Digital Product Money Machine. A woman sees it on her Explore page. Boom. She's in stage 1 of your pipeline. Number 2, interest. So interest is like, they'll tell you, tell me more, I like this. This is where they stay longer and start paying attention. So interest is built with valuable carousel posts, your testimonials, your behind the scenes, WhatsApp, through your WhatsApp broadcast, your WhatsApp status, live training, your stories, your DM conversations, and freebies. So let's say, for instance, the woman watches my reel. She sees another video of how farming has helped me buy my first land, and she sees a client's success story. Now she's interested. She might click follow or react to your story. So she's not a buyer yet, but she's warming up. So number 3, decision. Decision is now, they're already saying, I'm ready to pay her. They've already decided that they're going to get your product, right? So this is where the money comes in. To move someone into decision, you need to have a clear offer, a defined price, a simple way to pay, a way to answer questions, and a direct invitation. Okay? Say, for example, I post, enrollment for Farm to Income Academy ends tonight. DM ready to join. She sends ready. You guide her, she pays. That is the pipeline. Okay? Now, I want to introduce to you the 4-step mini pipeline you will use to build today. So, your assignment is to build a 4-part pipeline that looks like this. So, it's going to look something like this. So, step 1 is attraction. Right? Attraction content. So this is where the content that pulls the new eyeballs. Say, for example, 5 things I wish I knew before starting catfish farming. Right? So how to make, or let's say, how to make your first 100,000 naira from a digital product as a beginner. Or if I had to start all over with 0 capital, here's what I would do. So these are like basic attraction content, right? So step 2 is authority content. Okay, this is where people begin to trust you. Say, for example, you have screenshots of customers, right? Screenshots of customers, right? Results from your farm. You have tutorials, mistakes to avoid, a day in my life as a product creator. So this content tells people that I know what I am doing. Okay. Step 3, engagement and connection. People buy from someone they feel connected to. So you must care about relationships. Say, for example, ask questions in your stories. Do a Q&A about your offer. Post your face and lifestyle. Share your journey story. Okay. Show your process. Do polls. What do you struggle with the most? This is the emotional bonding stage. Okay. Step 4, conversion posts. This is where you actually sell. For example, you can say, doors are now open. Send me the word ready if you want your products ready in 7 days. Get get my product bundle for 85, link in bio. Enrollment closes in 48 hours. So you have already created your pipeline, right? And so your pipeline must always end with a clear invitation. People need clarity to buy. Don't assume, okay? Assumption are problem. So now, how can you allow this your pipeline to work, right? How your pipeline should run weekly. So here's a weekly structure that you can use, right? On Monday, you put attraction post. You may be like a reel, a carousel. Tuesday, you put authority post. Wednesday, your authority post can be a testimonial or a tutorial. Wednesday, you post engagement. Thursday, you post conversion. Friday, FAQ, right? Saturday, hard sell. Sunday, rest and story time. So that rest and story time just be lifestyle, faith, gratitude. So once you master this simple system, your income becomes predictable, right? Your audience begins to move automatically toward your offer. And you see this blindly posting will just stop because there's strategy with the way you post. This is an assignment I want you to do. So I want you to create a step by step from step 1 to step 4. I want you to create a post for it, right? So this is your mini pipeline for the week. Create this post. Okay. All right. So when you are done with this, there's more alignment. There's more clarity. All right. So we've come to the end of today. And at the end of every class, we always read out our affirmations. So our affirmations for the day, repeat this aloud. My sales system is simple, clear, and effective. My audience move towards me with ease. Every day, more people enter my pipeline. I am confident, skilled, and a profitable woman. All right. So do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. All right. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Toodles.